Easy install. Unscrew original antenna and screw the new bullet antenna in by hand. No tools required. No adapters required. Please note that short antennas may affect AM/FM radio reception depending on your radio signal's strength in your location. Anti-theft design. Comes with tough thread locking compound to deter people from taking your short antenna Nissan Titan. Replaces whip antenna mounted on the hood of your Titan Nissan. One-piece design from RONIN factory, made from 6061 billet aluminum construction with hard anodized black finish that will not chip or fade. Perfect for users who use Bluetooth or auxiliary audio inputs. Our truck accessories Nissan Titan parts are of the highest quality. Money-back guarantee, no question asked. If our bullet antenna Titan doesn't look as amazing as we promise, if the reception is not good or if it doesn't fit your model, we'll give you a full refund, no question asked. We want you to feel the happiest with your purchase. Accessory Nissan Titan guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. It's a .50 caliber bullet. Installation was super easy, but I didn't really pay attention that it has a compound inside the screw that cures to prevent theft. I luckily had the logo where I wanted it, because it's not moving anywhere now. The radio reception is still the same, so this product hit it out of the park for me. Exactly what I wanted and was looking for.